Hey Kayla, how are you doing this morning? I just wanted to make this a video because I think there's some confusion as to what forms I'm requiring in the class. So the forms that you sent me, I do appreciate that. Thank you for them, but they're not the forms in particular that I'm looking for. So I wanted to create this video to help clear everything up. I thought this would be the fastest way to convey to you what I'm looking for in the class. So what you're missing right now, document-wise, is the confidentiality intake and consent form, the emergency contact form, and your fitness assessment form. So let me show you those forms and exactly what I'm looking for here within this recording. Okay, so what I would like for you to do is, you can see on my screen here, should be a mirror image that you're viewing as well. Click on the Chapter 2. Okay. Then I want you to scroll down here. Okay. These are the only forms that I want you to complete here for this class. Okay. So let me find you exactly what I'm looking for here in the class. So you can see here it says confidential client intake consent form. Okay, so this is the form that I'm looking for you to complete. Okay, make sure that you complete this with your client. Have them indicate any general health information issues. If they have any adverse reaction to participating in the exercise program, and make sure they are signed, print, and date. If they're under 18 years of age, you will need the consent from their parent or guardian. Okay. Okay. The emergency contact form is right here as well. I need this form completed. Okay, and then indicate that they understand the liability, they're checkmark aware, signature and date, and you are the witness, date here as well. Finally, the fitness assessments, I want you to complete this form for me. I think you've done a little bit of it scattered maybe on one form, but I need it all on one form for me in this class. So I need you to go through these assessments with your client. Make sure you perform all of these tests, okay, with the flexibility. Make sure you perform all the balance tests, the cardiovascular, the Rockport fitness test. That will all be in your textbook. If you have any questions on how to perform that, which you should have already done in the 111 class with Dr. Brian. Make sure you do the muscular endurance, the strength. Okay, so the strength component, you probably don't have access to a gym, so don't worry about the muscular strength component here. If you do have access or your client has access, then you can assess, but ultimately I'm not really looking for that right now since we can't come in and meet face to face. And then don't forget to do the anthropometric measurements here as well. Okay, so that is what I am looking for you to complete. If you have any further questions, please feel free to send me an email. But remember, they're all located in your Chapter 2 folder, and they're all the forms that I need come right here, fall under here. Do me a favor, fill those out with your client, have your client sign, under 18. I need a parent or guardian signature. Scan those in with Tiny Scanner. Make sure you delete the other scans that you have in for the free version, and then remember, it's only 5 scans at a time for the free version that it can take. Scan those in and get those to me as soon as possible. Okay, thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.